Hi friends, welcome to my channel Go Cool and Be Cool, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. So we are going to see how to prepare for the examination. 100% pass guarantee certification course, one of the beautiful course from AWS. So those who are having the experiences in AWS, those who are planning for AWS certification course, please go through this video. You will get lot of examination tips and tricks. So examination code is SAA-C03. So we are going to see how to prepare for the examinations. Are you ready? Yeah, welcome back. How to prepare AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. So let's see that what are all the things we're supposed to do that. So before preparing the examinations. So this slide talks about what are all the certification courses from AWS we have. So first black represents cloud practitioners, that is a foundational, and then AWS certified developer associate, solution architect associate, system operations administrator. So the green represents DevOps engineer, solution architect, and then this color represents advanced networking, data analytics. These are all the specialty courses, and then database specialty, machine learning, security, SAP on AWS. So in this course we are going to see AWS certified solution architect associate. So what are all the things we're supposed to do that before going for the examination tips. So AWS certified solutions architect introductions. So let's see that what all the examination details belongs to this certified solution architect. So name is AWS certified solution architect associate. So duration of the examination is 130 minutes. So mode of examination is your choice. You can write the examination at your phone itself, or you can go for writing the examination in the institute itself. That is based on Amazon Web Service, where they are going to offer this examination, and as per your wish you can able to choose for your mode of examination. So exam format is 65 multiple choice and then multiple response questions. So 7 major topics and 21 services. So they are going to ask the questions from this only. So we are going to see one by one. So passing score, so 720 out of 1000 supposed to be, you need to get 720 minimum. Exam cost, so as far as dollar is concerned, 150 USD supposed to be, and then for Indian currency 12,000 rupees approximately. So as on today. So it may change based on the demand of this course especially, as well as the future technology upgradations. So let's see what are all the things we supposed to go for it, and then before going to that we need to understand SAA-C03 is the examination code for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Certification. It is the latest version of exam, which is released in the year of August 2022. The exam assesses a candidate's ability to design and deploy scalable, highly available, and then fault tolerant systems on AWS. It covers a wide range of AWS services and concepts, including designing and developing scalable, highly available, and then fault tolerant systems on AWS, designing and managing secure AWS environments, implementing and managing AWS infrastructure, defining and developing networking and then content delivery solutions, selecting the appropriate AWS service based on data, compute or security requirements, identifying and troubleshooting issues with AWS deployments. So the SAA-C03 exams is challenging but rewarding credentials that can open up a wide range of career opportunity in cloud computing. So we are going to see what all the exams covers a wide range of AWS services, including what I said, 7 major topics: compute, networking, storages, databases, and then analytics, security, cost. So one of the important area is the 7 major area they are going to ask. What are the service they are going to do? 21 major service: Amazon, Elastic Computer Cloud, and then Lambda, Elastic Container Services, Kubernetes Services, Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon Root 53, and then CloudFront. So simple storage services, Elastic Block Store, relational database services, and then Dynamo DB. And then whereas in the databases, Amazon relational database services on Aurora, and then Dynamo DB, Redshift, Athena, Elastic services, identify and access management, key management services, and then AWS security hub, and then finally billing and cost management. So these 21 services we have under the umbrella of 7 major topics. So this we are going to see one by one. See how to prepare for SAA-C03 exam. AWS recommends that you have the following, that is experience in AWS technology. Those who are always handling this AWS, please go for this examination. So strong on premises IT experiences and understanding of mapping on premises to cloud, experience working in other cloud services. AWS also offers a varieties of resources to help you prepare for the SAA-C03 exams, including online courses. We have multiple areas as we have. So these videos will help you a lot. In upcoming we are going to see this 20 videos of what all the practice we supposed to get. That once you go through all the videos, you will come to know how to prepare the examination and how to answer the questions, and then with the explanations also I have given in the same. Instructed, lead time, lead training, and then practice exams, and then white papers, and then other documentation. So these videos and then upcoming 20 videos, these 21 videos will help you a lot. Once you feel ready, so you can schedule the SAA-03 exams at a person's VU testing center on online. So the exam is 130 minutes long and then consists of 65 multiple choice question. If you pass this architect exam, so you will be awarded the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification. This certification valid for 3 years, so you can get a lot of opportunities. So let's see, here are some tips for preparing for the SAA-C03 exam. So start by learning about the AWS well architected framework. So this framework provides a set of guidelines for designing and developing cloud architect that are secure, reliable, efficient, and then cost effective. So get hands-on experience with AWS services. You can do this by creating and managing AWS resources in your own AWS account or by using the AWS free tiers. Take practice exam. So these areas will make you sure that I am helping a lot to you. 20 videos we are going to talk about what is the questions, and then what is the answer, and what is the explanation to the answer. So I have given in the same, so please utilize the same and then go for the examinations. Before appearing the examination, please go through all the videos. You will come to know that what are all the things we are supposed to do that. So this will help you identify your strength and weaknesses and to focus your studies on areas where you need the most improvements. I hope this information is helpful. So good luck with your AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification journey.
So finally, let's learn and level up ourselves, and let us help and support others. So without pain there is no gain. I hope you like this video. So please give your valuable comments so that I can also level up myself, and share to your beloved ones. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching.